Yo, what's up everybody? It's me, Pew Pew. I got this big ass box. Check this out. Look at that thing. It's giant. Yo, what? Whew. These things are gigantic. These are legit bricks. All right, Captain Obvious signing off. See y'all later. Jeez. What? These things are crazy. So they don't actually snap into the top, huh, of each other. I guess you can still stack them though. I mean, it'd be better if they like sunk into each other, like it clicked in, then you can get other ones and then like, you know, use them as building blocks or something. Cool. Crazy. Yo, these are insanity. Oh, please don't mind my shitty hats. The other hats are up top and around the bend where the other shoe room is. Anyways, so my opinion is don't buy these. These are retarded, okay? These are not good. No, absolutely not. What? You can't even, and they don't bend. Like, they're like so. All right, so my opinion is don't buy these. These are ridiculous. Not worth it. Don't get it, okay? And the box is like, where am I gonna put this thing? I need another room just for that. Anyways, appreciate y'all. See y'all later. Peace.
Yeah, that's right. Where do I begin? What can I say? Pot every day keeps my ADHD at bay. Video games I love to play. Live by the bay, hard beside delivery. Gotta get my wax on, wax off. Strawberry coffee and cherry AK. Wanna let it go when I spit, I spray. Everywhere I go, I don't portray what's inside. Hide it away. Make sure, cause enemies don't play.